I put them in their house. Welcome to this stupid video. I don't think they are here. Blah blah blah.
Where is that donkey?
What donkey? What donkey?
The green donkey.
What donkey? What donkey?
There you are. Donkey.
Okay. Come back. Okay, let's start the video.
You want some
random rubber band? This is the intro of the. Welcome to the intro of the video. Rubber bear. Show everyone it. Rubber bear. Wait, throw them on the camera. Put them back and throw them on the camera. Welcome to the intro. Hi, I'm recording. So for today's video, we're gonna be playing with Derby of the Ice Squishies. There's way too many. Sorry if there's too much shouting. There's too much shouting. If there's too much shouting, then please watch a different video.
Enjoy the gaga.
Stop with the funny stuff.
What for?
Where's four? Where's four? Hi, Noodle. Omashe, gatangere. Move. He's mine. So let's start the video. What is the video gonna be about? Just random stuff.
Me hitting your butt.
Where's X?
Right here.
Hi.
I want to.
Sorry, it showed your face.
Okay.
It's okay.
Do you want to post it?
Yeah.
Then post it if
it's done. So for today's video, we're gonna be doing stuff with
No,
X.
go to.
Continue playing. Slide. We.
Yeah.
It's Donkey Gorilla guy.
Yes. We're gonna be just sliding to this really high. Okay. So
No, this is the wrong BFDI. Slide. Enough with the laughing. So we're gonna that include X. Stop it.
Okay. Now a seesaw.
Where's the stinky? Stop now. Stop. Okay, let's start. The scissors is right there.
Remember the intro?
Yeah. It needs to be very short. Then we're gonna play after the video.
Okay.
Wow! Look at this. I'm just throwing them.
Why? No! No!
Okay. RPG. Let's stop with these stuff. Those just shaping the slot. What happened? Where's X? Hi.
No. I'm just gonna test the slide if it's okay.
Okay, test it. Please don't go on it, kid. Wait, do it again. We didn't see it.
Slide from here.
What do you mean the air bigger slide from here? Alright, block.
Okay.
So I'm gonna record it like this when the person goes. Okay? Katie, don't go there. Don't go here or anywhere. It might record you. Who's gonna test it first?
The phone.
The phone?
Me, I'm gonna test it.
We do it again. I record like this. It's fine. We got that. How much it?
It will never be a baby.
Who's next? Me. Can I go next? I got this one. Wait. Can I go next?
Okay.
Enough with those stuff.
Wait, I'm gonna fix like this. Wait, I'm gonna test it first. Because it's the other one.
Why like that?
Wait,
My turn.
Yep, it's okay.
Again. What happened, I think? Sorry, I stepped on you. Anyways,
If
there you go.
again, then.
Hey, again, put it there. 3, 2, 1. I said enough.
Okay. If again, then.
There.
If again, and then.
I paused it. Sorry, I paused it. I didn't notice that it was again. Okay. No one is going. Oh, Masi, but now. Oh, Masi, but now.
Why was I like? Who's next? Why was I like? And why was I like? Who's next?
Why was that so? Kapara ko na. Huh? Hi. Now what else should we need to do? Slide. Bathroom. Where did it go? Did he go in the box? I think he went into the box. What's in the box anyways? A bag? Come back here. There you go. He went into the box. What are you doing?
Don't disturb.
What are you doing?
Make a bridge.
What?
The bridge melted.
That's not a bridge, that's a cake.
Look, this is a bridge and it melted.
Now, are we gonna go to Leafy's house or something?
Lily's house.
I'm gonna go to Leafy's house, okay?
Me too.
Me too. When you bake a cake and decorate it, take it to Me too. Me too. Until when you take cake. No. Hi guys. Hi Bomb. Look at me. Okay, let's go back. Wow! I gotta bring them here.
Hello, I'm a big giant bird.
Bam, bam.
I will take you to Leafy's house.
What is that?
Take you a building. I'll take you to Leafy's house.
Katie, can you put it lower so that it can be on the camera? There you go. That's not a bird.
I'll take you to Leafy's house. Only two can ride, okay?
Only two.
Yeah, only two can ride.
Is it okay if it's less than two?
We need one more.
Where did he go?
He's right here.
Where?
There.
Over here.
One more. A flat, that's right.
Just one. Just one. Fine, I'm not gonna take the bird though. Oh! Where did Ford go? Give him back. He doesn't want to ride anymore.
Then you wanna go to Leafy's house?
Wahaha, I'm gonna eat you. Nom 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 nom